You may have the desire to have your own pure water or sachet water factory, but the prices of the equipment scares you a little. In today's video, I'm going to show you how strategically you can own your sachet water factory. Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Nick Asa. Like the video, share so others can also benefit. More importantly, click the bell icon to notify yourself with new uploads when you subscribe. If you wish to have your own sachet water factory but do not have the funds to do upright payment of the equipment, there are strategical ways you can get these for yourself and you won't even feel you have spent much money on them. And this strategy is also convenient for those who are buying from far places like outside Accra or outside Ghana. This strategy is very convenient for you. It will save you from damages and casualties. But if you are within Ghana and its environs and you do not have the funds to do upright purchase, then you stick to this strategy. With the exception of the coil sealing and cutting machine, you can start or place your focus on the reverse osmosis system, commonly known as the RO. Okay, start purchasing the items one after the other, depending on the ton that you want to work with. If it is 1 ton, if it is 2 ton, 3 ton, 4, 6, and what have you, you can start buying them bit by bit. Start with the cylinder. If it is 2 ton, buy the cylinder one after the other. You're buying 2 cylinders because it is going to contain 2 Vontron membranes. So you can buy the cylinder one and keep it. When another money comes, you can buy another cylinder if you are setting up a 2 ton. If you are setting up a 1 ton, you can just get for yourself 1 cylinder and then touch on the membrane. So this will really help monthly salary earners and other range earners who want to venture in this business. Buy the Vontron membrane as the next part and keep it. If it is 2 ton, you know how many membrane you're supposed to buy. If it is 3, if it is 1, you know how many membrane you're supposed to buy. But I will also advise that before you go on purchasing these items bit by bit, you run a test on your water source to at least have an idea of the state of the water before you start purchasing these machines bit by bit. It is ideal to know what the source of your water contains, the salt, if there is salt, if the pH, the salinity, everything, ions and scales. You have to know all these things before you start purchasing the items bit by bit. So you are gradually building a factory by the time you realize. After purchasing these items bit by bit, then you place your focus on the coil sealing and cutting machines and get that done. When all these are set, then you have a structure. If you have a structure, you are good to go. If you do not have a structure, then you plan on how you're going to house these machines to work for you. The next thing to touch on purchasing is the control panel, or we can build one for you during the assembling process. And another thing to buy is your pressure pump. Get a very strong pressure pump. And yes, you have built a factory just like that. If you are living outside Accra or outside Ghana and you want us to assemble these machines at your end, all you need to do is contact me. We have a deal and that is done. This is all I have for today's video. If this is your first time, you know what to do. If you need to purchase these machines, you know where to find me. Like the video, share so others can also benefit. See you in another video.